In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks with subtasks and sections for a clear hierarchy. Let's start by opening the task or project where you want to organize your items. Think of this as your workspace for everything related to the outcome you're aiming for. Having it all in one place makes it much easier to see connections and avoid losing track of details. Once you're inside that project or task list, identify the item that should sit beneath another task. This is usually a smaller, more specific action that supports a larger goal. Take a moment to clarify the relationship in your head. Which task is the main outcome and which one is a supporting action? That quick check prevents confusion later. If you want a clean, indented structure that visually shows what depends on what, use subtasks. Subtasks are perfect for breaking a bigger deliverable into manageable pieces. They also help you estimate effort and assign responsibility more accurately. Most tools let you expand and collapse subtasks so you can keep things tidy while still preserving detail. Now, add the smaller task as a subtask under the main task. Keep the wording concise and action-oriented so it's easy to scan. If you have multiple small steps, add each one as its own subtask, rather than cramming everything into a single description. This makes progress tracking much clearer, because you can check off each item as it's completed. If your tool supports it, you can often drag and drop the smaller task into the main one to nest it, or use a dedicated Add Subtask option. If your project contains several groups of related work, use sections to organize these clusters. Sections act like thematic buckets: planning, execution, reviews, or any categories that match your workflow. Place related main tasks under the appropriate section and keep subtasks attached to their parent task. This way, you get both a high-level overview and a tidy drill-down structure. Finally, review the layout to make sure the hierarchy is clear. Scan from top to bottom and confirm that each main task reads like a headline, each subtask is a single actionable step, and sections create a logical flow. If anything feels crowded or ambiguous, simplify names, reduce unnecessary nesting, or move items to a more fitting section. Your goal is a structure that someone new could understand at a glance. And that's it. By opening your project, choosing the right parent-child relationship, using subtasks for indentation, placing smaller tasks under larger ones, grouping with sections, and reviewing for clarity, you'll create a task system that's both organized and easy to manage.